I'm here with Eric Tveter, who's CEO of UPC Central Europe, which combines the Swiss and Austrian operations of Liberty Global. Eric, what are the benefits of combining those two, and how has it been working out in terms of achieving the greater scale you need to compete in your two markets?
Our business is a scale business, and here we have two German-speaking markets, although in Switzerland we also have Italian and French-speaking, and we have a skill at managing in multiple languages. But bringing the two companies together is allowing us to do more in the smaller market, which is in Austria, and continue product innovations, improving the customer experience, and creating more value for our shareholders, but also being able to do more for customers in both markets.
Liberty Global has been consolidating certain things at group level under the Liberty Go project. What's the optimal balance from your point of view of organizing certain things at group level and devolving certain other functions down to the regional operator level?
When you look at our initiative called Liberty Go, it's about, again, continuing to improve the operating model and to improve scale. For example, the company has grown largely through acquisition over the last 10 years, and there's an opportunity to optimize our network, optimize our IT support, and that's part of the initiative to go for growth. It's about really building a growth engine further. We've grown quite well in the past, and we want to grow through network expansion, through introduction of mobile, through focusing more on B2B, in particular the small office, home office, and small media enterprise part of the market. So there's lots of challenges, lots of opportunities, and of course improve our TV and entertainment business, which is a key core. And then finally to continue to develop the network through introduction of DOCSIS 3.1 in the future. We have the fastest and best network across all of our footprint, and we'd like to continue to drive that superiority into the marketplace, the speed superiority.
How well placed is cable in the two markets in which you operate in particular to be the key provider of entertainment and other services to the home versus the competition?
We are a clear market leader in TV and in internet. We're known as the speed leader in both markets. The brand in Austria, we're the #1 brand. In Switzerland, we're the #2 brand, and catching up quite nicely to Swisscom. And we have had historically, over the last several years, been the fastest growing part of the Swiss market, and we're growing quite well in Austria now, post-integration.
Now we hear a lot about fixed and mobile convergence in particular. What is your particular strategy within Switzerland and Austria in adding mobile services to your offering, and also how that plays out with your provision of Wi-Fi services versus mobile network?
In Switzerland, we launched more than a year ago, and we're growing quite well. In Q1, we had 100% of the postpaid market net adds, and we have LTE, and we do it through an MVNO relationship with Salt. In Austria, we have an MVNO with 3, and that market is also growing nicely in mobile. So our customers are able to have the quad play, and it's an important source of future growth for us. And consumers value simplicity. They want to do business with a company that they know and trust, and they like the idea more and more of one-stop shopping.
Now, you obviously provide entertainment services as well as broadband and other services. What do you see as cable's unique selling point, particularly in the Swiss and Austrian markets?
Well, Horizon TV we launched in Switzerland and we'll be launching in Austria at the end of this summer. And that's a great user interface. It has great features and functionality, including Replay TV, progressing from the DVR, which I recall launching in 2004 in the UK with live TV pause. So we continue to invest in the user experience. We have a great web browser. We have TV everywhere, communications and entertainment anywhere, anytime, any device with Horizon Go. Those are in both markets. So we're continuing to invest in the TV experience in order to be the source of connected entertainment and as well seamless connectivity through Wi-Fi, anywhere, anytime, any device. So Liberty is at the forefront of that, and in Switzerland and in particular, and now in Austria, we're bringing it all together.
Finally, can I ask you what you think about Cable Congress in general and what it brings to the industry and about this year's edition in particular?
I think the panels have been great this year, focusing on innovation, on the marketing, on what's happening in the market, the new services, and I'm very bullish about the future, having had this exchange of ideas. Many people think we're being disrupted with some of the global behemoths attacking us, if you will. But I've been in the industry 35 years. I've never been more excited.